Bedbug chasers, the heat remediation experts. Bedbugs in a high-rise used to mean weeks of chemical treatments with the possibility of never getting rid of them. Well, those days are over. Bedbug Chasers specializes in the treatment of high-rise units. Unlike other companies that are limited to treating only a few floors above street level, Bedbug Chasers can treat up to 30 stories with our specialized proprietary equipment. And if you are higher, we have other solutions for those instances. We are also not limited to treating a single unit at one time, which can lead to the migration of the bedbugs from one unit to another. We designed our equipment to handle nearly every situation, so we have the capabilities of treating multiple units simultaneously, ensuring that the bedbugs cannot escape. Our logistics department coordinates the scheduling of your treatment with your property management company, cooperative board, condominium association, or any other organization that oversees services to your building. We also understand that your privacy and the need to be discreet are extremely important. That is why all of our vehicles are unmarked and our technicians have no logos on their uniforms that would indicate the services that we provide. So if you have bedbugs in a high-rise unit, don't trust your treatment to just any company. Go with the company that invented the system and has patents pending on both its heaters and bedbug removal process. Go with Bedbug Chasers. And all of our treatments come with our 100% guarantee. Bedbug Chasers. There are no other companies that can do what we do.